Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you this Puma sneakers soft foam comfort insert. This is 2018, it's cost $100. I guess every one of you guys who entered this video, you wanna buy it or you wanna know about it. But guys, before we go anywhere further and talk about this bad boy, please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up if you like my video. To be honest with you guys, this one, they say that it's have technology from inside of softness, not softness, and etc. Okay, as concept from this technology that they're talking about, guys, as you see here, it's have kind of comfortability, okay, I not say. But as quality for the sneakers, it's not good. My wife bought the sneakers like 1 year ago. But she didn't wear it that much because she had a lot of other sneakers. She have Nike, Adidas, blah blah blah. You know guys, the both sneakers from here got hole. I don't know from what. I'm telling you, my wife is not this kind that she's sportaholic, 24-hour laying in gym workout. She go normal, regular. I'm a normal, regular guy, mother. Okay, she's go normally. She stay in gym, she work 1.5 hour maximum, and she go day by day. You know guys, from second month, this sneakers got hole here, and this other one also. This is we took it to fixer. He took like $10 and he make for her this. He add this up and he tight it. As you see, it's not like this. It's not come like this. You can see the original one. He add this. He done it really great, to be honest with you. I didn't expect that he gonna make it nice like this. But it's become more small size a little bit because he grabbed this tongue like this, you know? He grabbed it like this to cover the hole. Because how he can fix it, how he can do it. But I'm gonna tell you guys how shame that Puma, also it start out from here. From second month, start to have hole and this shit happen and blah blah blah. Brand like this and it's not cheap. And it has issues like this, which is me, this is shame on Puma. As materials, as comfortability from up and like this from toy, well, it's nice. I'm not saying, we can't say anything bad. By the way, I want to tell you something. You know, ties here for Puma is better than Nike, to be honest with you. When you tight it, it's over. In Nike, always tie open back, always. Guys, I have maybe 6 Nike sneakers, except Air Max 2017. The rest of all sneakers, the tie always open. My football sneakers, my Air Max, another one, the Distance 2, but Puma at this point is better. When you tight it, the tie is not open anymore. But anyway, guys, this is all about this Puma. As comfortability, I rated 85%. As quality, I rated 30%. It's not good. So anyway, this is about the sneakers because I have a lot of sneakers, a lot of goods. I have to unbox it. I make this video shortly. Please, if you have any comment, write for me down below, and don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up if you like the video. We will see another video with Hatem from Objection. Peace and love and money for everyone.